Google AdSense pays website owners based on various factors, including the type of ads displayed, the ad format, the website's niche, the geographic location of the website visitors, and the level of user engagement. AdSense operates on a pay-per-click or cost-per-click model, meaning that website owners earn revenue when users click on the ads displayed on their websites. The amount earned per click can vary widely, ranging from a few cents to several dollars or more, depending on factors such as the competitiveness of the keywords targeted by the ads and the quality of the traffic. Additionally, AdSense may also pay website owners based on ad impressions, known as cost per thousand impressions, where they earn revenue for every 1,000 ad impressions displayed on their website. The revenue generated through AdSense can also depend on the ad placement and the overall design and user experience of the website. Optimizing ad placement and website layout for maximum ad visibility and user engagement can help increase AdSense earnings.